about, you know, 150 mil, just moved, the fences just moved, yeah. And we've got stockyards across the railway line, and they just up and down, unbelievable.
So that's on its full strength, a full length, it doesn't...
Yeah, it's full length, yeah, the fence has just moved, the ground's just moved that much, so it's opened up the gateway. It's wider.
Say again?
The stockyard over here yesterday, all them fences were quite level.
Des, tell me what happened this morning with you with the earthquake?
Oh, I arrived over here to this farm just south of Kaipoi, and to Peeper stock, and walked out in the paddock, and here was this big massive cracks, and the sand and the holes just blown up. Some of the cracks could be 750 mil wide, and they're very deep because I've been up to my nuts in it, and I didn't hit the bottom. So
is this unusual? I mean,
never seen anything like it before. And so these paddocks here that you can see now were pretty dry yesterday, and now it's just a mud hole.
Just the water's come up?
Yeah, the water's just blown up.
Are you surprised?
Oh, yeah, I'm absolutely amazed. Can't believe it. Never seen anything like it before.
Much damage, you know, you got a lot of water damage.
As we say, we've got fence posts just blown out of the ground, and power poles, 2 power poles just down, and the whole water level of the river is just probably about 3 foot higher than what it would have been yesterday.
And the shake itself, when you got woken up this morning, what happened then? Explain that to me.
Oh, it's just a massive rumble, and it just kept rumbling and rumbling and rumbling. And I thought, hey, is it ever going to stop, you know? But I just live 3 miles from here, and I've got no damage at home on my home farm. But it's a lot of massive damage here.
On this farm?
In the way of fences and holes and flooding.